you never had proof of a rape, and you kept me in here because of the nature of the charge. Now you
Yeah.
give me an offer to drop the rape, but do 7 years for false imprisonment, homie, and 5 years
Yeah.
for each video of probation. That's 15 years of probation. Nigga, what? What?
Mm.
Uh,
Exactly.
So now they being
Look, fam.
corrupt. So I want y'all to know one thing. I want y'all to know one thing. The only reason why I'm coming to y'all, opening up my discovery to the public, is because I'm not being treated fair through the judicial system, and I'm not getting a fair due process, and I refuse to be another black male that's not heard and understood, and even if I don't care what they do to me at this point. I want y'all to know that I'm innocent, and I want y'all to see the facts. I want you to look at the facts. You don't have to like me. You don't have to like me. What's fair is fair. You understand what
Yeah.
I'm saying? And I'm in here for something I didn't do. Find me
Yeah.
something to be in here for. But this ain't it. This ain't it. This is called corruption. These are the criminals. They're the criminals. And I'm proving it to y'all that this system,
Yeah.
they using her. They using her as a way
Yeah.
to put me behind these bars because of what I'm teaching and because of my influence over people. Like, they don't like me
Yeah.
for whatever reason. You understand? And so I have to go through it now because I'm not getting the fair due process, and my constitutional rights is being violated. And I
Being
want the
violated.
world to know what's going on. And I've been
Hey,
quiet long
fam.
enough. I've been quiet long enough.
For real, for
You
real.
heard? I've been quiet long
Understand this,
enough.
y'all. When it comes down to it, Nature Boy was supposed to speak out. He wanted for the longest to say something, but he was trying to, like, just let the system play its part. But after you receive so many, letdowns from the justice system, so many violations, at sometimes you're gonna be like, you know what, I gotta speak out. I gotta use my voice and actually say what's been going on. Y'all know Nature Boy been quiet. He been quiet for the longest. Y'all only really heard her side. Nobody really never heard his side. I mean, and a lot of people, sadly, out there when it comes to y'all don't like Nature Boy for some shit that occurred years ago, whatever the hell it was. But when it comes to these 5 charges, these 5, it's no way in the right mind that we can sit up here and be like, you know what, he's guilty. Like, I can't say that. Can't say that. We can. You could go ahead and
You
take
know what
3
I'm
of the
saying?
charges
Like,
off right there.
niggas could not like me.
When
I
it comes
get
to
it.
revenge form.
You don't like me. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't like what I stand for. You don't like me, but you gonna bring state charges up on me, bro? Like, come on, bro. Like, let's be fair about it, though. You don't have to like me to be like, nah, you know what? Be in your mind. Let's be fair. Throw charges up on this nigga that are fair and just. If you gonna get him for something that he did. You feel me? I could stand on that. I could stand on. I could do my time. I could be like that. I did
Same
that.
thing I said.
You know what I'm saying? For you to make up some shit and use the technicalities in the legal system. Come on, man. This shit's corrupt, man. And it could be your son. It could be your father. If they could do this to me, they could. And I got a following. Imagine what they're doing to niggas that ain't got nobody that gonna comfort them. There's so many black men out here.
Yeah.
You feel me? They ain't got nobody to call. That's why they turn the gangs. There's so many black men that turn the gangs. No, man, I'm not. You know what I mean? And you black women out there, I know y'all got a thing you race for it, but you got to understand at the end of the day, we are your fathers. We are your brothers. We are your sons. This is we all you got. Like it or not, we all you got. So at the end of the day, if it ain't, it's bigger than me. It's bigger than Nino Brown.
Yeah.
You feel me? It's bigger than Nino Brown, baby. You feel
Yeah.
me? You gotta understand
Yeah.
that. You know what I mean? Like, of course, I'm not letting these people take my spirit. I know I'm innocent, and I know I'm gonna come
Yeah.
on top of this. But I also know I can't even if I'm not guilty of this, right? This is still gonna be on my name.
Yeah.
It's gonna still be attached to me, no matter where I go.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day,
Yeah.
this is defamation of character. But at the end of the day, you understand this is not just about me. This is about your brother. This is about if they're showing you publicly they can get away with someone as a public figure. Imagine what they're doing to niggas behind the scenes. If they could do this
Yeah.
publicly, imagine what they could do to your cousin, your brother, your son. And that's just
That's real.
what's happening in the system. They have these loopholes they can use to do whatever they want, and if nobody speaks up or you don't like Nation Boy, you want. It's still your brother, your cousin, your husband, your father could be up in there, your uncle. You don't know who going through the system like this, man. This is
Yeah.
It's bigger than me at this point. It's bigger than me.
That's real.
So yeah.
You know, they said we need Dr. Umar. Y'all crazy.
So
hey,
look, right. So then after the first initial report, she calls the police back 7 days later. And I'm thinking that she said, rape, because I got charged with rape. But as I listened to the video, I'm like, wait a minute, she ain't never said I raped her. This is crazy. Like, she never said that, but they insinuated it. And that's why they're trying to hold on to a false imprisonment, but there's no false imprisonment because he said, oh, he knew what to say to make me stay there. That's not false imprisonment. That sounds like a motherfucker got game to make a bitch drop the pants. You feel me? That's not false imprisonment, nigga. Would I imprison a bitch with my game? God damn. A bitch in prison with my game? God damn. Is it a crime to be? Is it a crime? Is my game a crime? No. Baby, where you going, baby?
Right.
Where you going? I love you, baby. I love you, baby. What I gotta say? What Tank say? Please don't go. Mm-hmm. God damn, I know you want to leave me, but I refuse to let you go. Come on, man. Cut it out, man.
Come on.
He said he know what to say to make me. And here's the thing. Y'all gotta understand this, bro. What I look like. Police at my door every day, homie. Every day.
Real, fam.
I'm a public figure. I'm online every fucking day.
Yeah.
Look like it. And then after you leave, I'm gonna just stay there. Like, yeah, I'm just retarded. Like, come on, bro. And it's so goofy because the shit is so sloppily done. You can see all the loopholes, and I made sure, yo. Shout out to my motherfucking family, my wife. Yo, shout out to them. They've been rocking with me this whole time. You know what I mean? Niggas been trying to attack them. All kind of shit. Wilder. Shout out to my family. Just riding the whole time. It's been rough, don't get me wrong, because physically and that way, you feel me? I'm not there like I'm not physically there, but they hold me down. Shout out to my people, like people that I can't even say their name because they don't even want people to fucking play with their life. You feel me? That's been there for me behind the scenes. You know what I mean? Like real niggas, like, look, man, fuck that internet shit. You just fucked up. What you need? You feel me? Do. I got a library of books. Yeah. I got commissary. I got you know what I'm saying? Stuff that I need. Now they're like, yo. They denied me a speedy trial, so now I'm in here over a year. You feel me?
Yeah.
Over a year, and I paid for my lawyers, and now my money running out. So I need y'all help too on that now, because my shit running out again. So I'm like, nah, I'm not going to just let these people do that. I mean, I got to go to the public. I got to go to my people that fuck with me, because I know there's a lot of people out there that's really fucking with me. Send them donations. Make sure I get a lawyer. Make sure I get legal assistance. I gotta pay for more stuff, legal shit now. My shit is running out, so it's like, all right, boom, gotta pay for more legal shit. So y'all send y'all donations, send your love and support. And any questions y'all got, just ask me. I'm right here. What's up? And we about to open up.
Okay.
Like I'm not sitting here talking about this shit all day. I do want to get back. I do want to get back to like just connecting with y'all, kicking it with y'all. Like I'm about to open up my page back on Bigo, right? Right, Keith? We're about to get the page back, right?
Yeah. That's going down. Yeah, right. It's already in process.
I'm gonna be connecting with y'all as much as I can, man, because I'm not about to be sitting in here and letting my life pass by, man. This is crazy. I want to talk to my people. There's a lot of supporters that fuck with me all over the world, and I feel like y'all should be able to get to hear from me too. So, you know what I mean? We're gonna work that out. But any questions y'all got for me, let me know. And please, anybody y'all got any questions for me? You know, my wife.
Eb, you gonna go first?
Well, y'all know I know a lot of what's going on. I do want to ask about the girl Nefertiti. When you went to the bond, did you actually physically go to the bond hearing yesterday? Huh?
Yeah.
So
I don't think he's gonna speak on her. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's not
Can't
gonna
hear.
speak on that one.
She talking about the alleged victim.
I can't even understand what she's
Yeah,
saying.
he's not
Like,
gonna speak on.
she said,
He's not gonna speak on her right. He's not gonna speak
We're
on
not
her.
going to speak on the alleged victim.
Yeah.
But we
yeah,
was,
Okay.
nah. We ain't speaking
Yeah.
on nobody. We ain't speaking on nobody
Yeah.
personally. You feel me? Like, I don't have, like, I'm just talking about my side of it. I'm telling my side of it. You know, I ain't stupid.
Yeah.
You feel me? But at the end of the day, these people playing foul. I do want y'all to go watch Nature Boy TV or go watch the malicious prosecution video. It was played yesterday, but we need to go watch it and share it and help in any kind of way you can help. Get it exposed. You feel what I mean?
yeah. And he was at the bond hearing
Hey,
physically.
fam.
Yes.
Yeah, I was physically at the
Hey,
bond
fam,
hearing.
question.
Yeah, I got to sit up in there and watch them, and they felt my energy, and I got to see how corrupt this shit get. Like, the motherfucking DA lying out their face, the judge is on their side. I'm like, damn, this shit biased as shit. Like, wow, like, what is going on? I need some help. But son, they got the cameras in there, and they're doing this in front of the cameras. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
man, y'all gotta understand, like, it's people trying to come interview me in this jail, and they won't even let the people in the jail, because it's a private jail. Like, they won't let the people in the jail to interview me. Like, I got a lot of people that want to come and interview me and hear my side of the story, but I can't, because at the end of the day, it's like, you feel me? So this is the first time I'm like, you know what? Let me go to the people real quick. You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
And y'all support
Yeah.
support my lives, man. Support them, be sure that they good. Like, all y'all females out there, I know y'all be like, oh, when a woman is submissive to her husband and she's submissive to her man and ride with him, why is that considered weak? That's crazy. We can talk about that later on another time on my page, because I'm gonna be going live on my page. If we get that open, you feel me? I'm going to be going live on there, and I'm not about to be sitting here talking about this case all day. Y'all gonna help out? We gonna vibe. It's gonna be cool, but
Yeah.
I'm not about to die out like that. I'm about to.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
For real. About action. Hey, fam, question. Hey, did you get a chance to file the claim? You get a chance to file that? This called habeas corpus claim.
No, we doing that now. We doing the habeas corpus. We doing the ineffective assistance appeal.
Habeas
Like,
corpus.
because at the end of the day, she's the reason why I'm still in here most likely. But you know, for them to deny, if you gonna say, all right, listen, if you gonna say, look, if I'm gonna deny you a bond because you're a dangerous society, okay, you bring the victim up. She says, oh yeah, don't let him go. He's a fight person. Okay, cool. Give me a speedy trial then.
Yeah.
You've been holding me in here for a year, which is cruel and right. You holding me in here over a year. Give me a trial. Give me a speedy trial. Why are you? First of all, you saying no, we're not going to release you, and no, we're not ready for trial. Of course, you're not ready for trial because you have nothing on me. That's crazy. So now y'all holding me here on some false imprisonment shit, and it's clear. And I'm like, all right, well, I gotta turn up on my media. You know what I'm saying? I gotta turn up on my connections. You know what I'm saying? Let the world know. So if I'm gonna be in here for something I didn't do, well, fuck it.
Yeah.
Let me tell the world what's going on. If y'all gonna play corrupt, let me tell the world what's going on. Let me show them what's going on. Here's my discovery, y'all. Check it out. You know what I mean? Here, check it out. Have that. Hold that. Boom. Y'all look at that. Y'all see that? That's what they discovered. They discovered that they're criminals. You're criminals. The world needs to see it.
Yeah.
Crazy. I'm about to spit on this shit right here. I ain't been shit, and it's all this proof that I ain't do it. And y'all gonna sit up in here and hold me here. Come on.
And see, and this is the crazy part for me, fam. The fact that they willing to drop the, you know what I'm saying? If you took a plea, the fact that you look, you would drop the, if you accept the plea, they'll drop the rape charge. Like, that lets me know a lot. That lets me know that they don't have shit when it comes to the rape charge. And in addition to that, they should give you a bond. They should give you a bond. That's the only thing that's legally holding you in there.
They're like, oh yeah, we just got a camera where we got some stuff on there. Like, what are y'all searching for now? Like, y'all thought you had. When you indict someone, that means you have everything you need to actually pursue to convict this person. If you have a victim, you said that I raped, then you should be able to go to trial right now. You got the victim, she's right there. Oh, that's right, she's pregnant. Right. What? 3 months into this charge, this girl gets pregnant. What rape victim does that? Are you prolonging it so she can have the baby first? What are we waiting on here? I'm trying to figure it out.
Hey, Nature Boy. Hey, fam.
Yeah.
How boy Turk just came in here.
Oh, that's Turk? Where Turk at?
He said, "What's Zam?"
Oh, what's Zam? Still ride. Turk sent me donations. Shout out to Turk, man. I asked, you know what I'm saying? Turk knew I was going through a hard time. Nigga sent me the brain. Yo, I called Turk like, yo, Turk, listen, I need to do. He like, say less, bro. What's the cash at? Sent that shit. No hesitation at all. Real nigga shit. Appreciate you, homie.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Send me a couple on it, like, yeah, take that home with no hesitation.
That's real.
Shout out to Turk. Because Turk spent 3 years up in here. Beat his charge and everything. Shout out to him. He did like 20. Didn't he do like 20 years? What's Turk at? Stop pulling him up.
Like 10, 12. Hey, Turk.
Yeah, Turk answered my collect call. That nigga was there for me when I got up
He
in
got
here.
a comment.
A lot of
He
niggas
got a
that I know
comment, so I can add him.
That's him?
She
Turk.
said he got a comment.
Where he at? He got a comment, so I can add him. There you go.
There you go, right there.
Yeah, like
What's up, y'all?
Hey, Kurt.
What poppin'?
Yeah,
What
what's
poppin'?
good?
What's up, Nick?
Hey, man,
Hello?
I appreciate, like I was telling people, you supported me in my time of need where everybody's turning on me, man. I appreciate that real shit.
Man, you know it's all love, man. Ain't no smoke. You hear me? I
Yeah, because I
understand, bro.
you gave me the motivational speech too. You was like, man, I did 3 years in 23 and 1, 3 years. Nigga, I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, I'm over here like, y'all fucked up. Turk like, nigga, I did 23 and 1 for 3 years in the county, nigga, right before I went to prison.
You have 1 minute left.
Yeah. Man, it's all love, bro. You know
what that mean, right? You got 1 minute left.
Yeah. Hey, keep your head up, dog. You know, man. You know, the toughest shit is given to God's toughest soldiers, man. So just hold your head up, homie. You hear me?
Already.
No, he gone. Yeah, holla at me. All right, y'all. I'm about to go get him.
All right, fam. All right, fam.
Yup. Hey, look, right? I'm gonna call y'all back.
Yeah, we on.
Love you, my king.
I love you, my king. Love myself.
Peace, love you, babies.
Love you.
The caller has
This
hung
shit
up.
shit. That shit's crazy. Y'all see the women stay down? Majority of the women stay down, the men gone. That shit say a lot too. That shit say a lot.